Hey everyone, PK here. So a friend of mine took me out fishing in the California Delta. This is actually my third trip in a boat in the California Delta, and mostly it's just I just want to get out and learn from a local and see how the fishing is done here. I just wanted to learn how to rig up, what people were using, and what's the best way to fish these guys, what bait, and what hooks, what weight. It's just a learning experience. I just moved here and I know nothing about the Delta, and I think the best way is just to go with a local and learn from them. We were just going for after what bites, but mainly we were trying to target striped bass and catfish. So I'm just gonna keep this video kind of short, guys, and this is just a little taste, little prelude of what's gonna come when I get my new motor. All right, enjoy the show. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to catch some bluegills, and from that trip the main thing I learned is that bluegills work really good. Cut bait, cut bluegill, that is.
Got bigger, so good.
Very nice. Oop, got him. Wow, that's fast. Oh, oh, that's a good size. That's a big one. Oh, that's an eater. Oh, yeah. Son of a gun. Took it deep. All right, buddy. Nope. Yep, got him. Got him. What he is, I don't know. Little guy, though. He's a little guy.
There you go. Think. You know, a catfish, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Hey, you got a channel.
Not skunked, I guess. Little baby channel right there. Hoping for a bigger one. Got him right on the side of the mouth, so that's good. It's been a while.
That one?
Yep. Tiny one again. Tiny one.
Oh, channel cat.
Oh, channel cat. There we go.
Yeah, you're getting better.
Finally. Yep, perfect hook set, man. That sucker was not going to come off. There we go. Was that a second one? Oh. Yeah, that's another one. Yep, we're on. We're on. Doesn't feel very big though, but we'll, yeah, it's a little guy. Little guy. Little shaker. Oh, little dude. Okay, little guy. Right there.
How come you're not acting like me?
I don't know. Another striper? Oh!
Getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Small pole is the ticket. Shrimps. Both of them.
Shrimp again, huh?
Shrimp.
Little guy though.
Follow?
Yeah. Oh, he took it down there, dude.
Can you
He took it way down there. Don't know. Oh, right on the gullet. Right in the gullet. Just to be sure.
Yeah.
Coming this side away from the motor.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a keeper.
Oh, stop.
Oh, he's.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Woo! Good job, dude. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one, dude. No, I got it here. Oh, I think you had one? Or did it?
No, go.
The one on the left? Oh, the line hit it. Okay. Yeah. That's a good one.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Tighten that drag.
Oh, a tree.
Oh, there's a tree. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on, no.
Tree, right?
Yeah.
It's stuck in tree right now?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, my Lord. Don't come. There's a. I think we're caught on a tree trunk. Something. There, he's off. He's off. Oh, yeah. Come on, buddy. That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep looking. Oh, my God. Big one. Hold on. This side. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, my Lord. That is picture worthy.